Ten quick grooming hacks every man should know. Hey there, gentlemen. Welcome back to Man Glow Up, your ultimate guide to looking and feeling your best. Today, we're sharing 10 quick and effective grooming hacks every man should know. These tips will keep you looking sharp and feeling great without spending hours in front of the mirror. Make sure to stick around till the end and let's get started. Hack 1. Quick beard trim. First up, let's talk about quick beard trimming. Using an electric trimmer with adjustable settings can help you maintain a neat beard in just a few minutes. Remember to trim evenly and follow your natural jawline for the best results. Hack 2. Efficient hairstyling. Next, efficient hairstyling. Use a small amount of styling product like a matte clay or pomade and work it through your hair with a comb. Focus on the roots for volume and shape. This hack ensures your hair looks great all day with minimal effort. Hack 3. Instant face refresh. For a quick face refresh, try a 5-minute face mask. Products with ingredients like charcoal or clay can instantly rejuvenate your skin. Apply the mask, relax for a few minutes, then rinse off for a fresh, clean face. Hack 4. Stay fresh all day. Staying fresh is crucial. Use a long-lasting deodorant and a light spritz of cologne to keep smelling great all day. Apply cologne to pulse points like your wrists and neck for a lasting effect. Hack 5. Quick teeth whitening. For a bright smile, try a teeth whitening pen. These pens are easy to use and can whiten your teeth in just a few minutes. Simply apply the gel to your teeth. Wait a few minutes, then rinse. Hack 6. Hand and nail care. Don't forget about your hands and nails. Keep them looking clean and well-maintained with regular use of hand cream. And by trimming your nails weekly, well-groomed hands make a big difference. Hack 7. Shine your shoes quickly. Shiny shoes can elevate your entire outfit. Use a quick shine sponge or cloth to polish your shoes in under a minute. This hack ensures your footwear always looks pristine. Hack 8. Reduce eye puffiness. For reducing eye puffiness, a cold compress works wonders. Place it over your eyes for a few minutes to reduce swelling and look more awake. Eye creams with caffeine can also help. Hack 9. Quick eyebrow grooming. Well-groomed eyebrows frame your face. Use an eyebrow comb and small scissors to trim any unruly hairs. This quick grooming hack keeps your brows looking neat and tidy. Hack 10. Manage body hair easily. Finally, manage body hair with a body groomer. These tools are designed for quick and safe trimming of chest, back, and other areas. Keep your body hair in check without spending too much time. And there you have it, gentlemen. 10 quick grooming hacks every man should know. Which hack is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Man Glow Up for more style and grooming advice. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Stay sharp, stay fresh. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.